If your ChatGPT is having trouble generating images, they get stuck on processing, or it gives you an error, or it just doesn't show generated images in the chat, then here's how you can fix it. So there are a couple of fixes and things you need to look at. Now, when you generate an image, sometimes what happens is it generates it, but it doesn't show it in the chat, and it gives you a processing error. If that's the case, you can go to More in the top left-hand corner, then click on Images, and you may find you'll be able to see your image in the My Images section. So once you wait for it to load, you may see it generated down here. If it isn't down here, then it's not an issue with showing the image, it's going to be an issue with actually generating it in the first place. So what you can do is you can go to your name in the bottom left-hand corner, then go to Settings. Once you've done that, you can then go to Personalization, then scroll down, and here you will see Memories. Click on Manage, and then what you can do is you can click on the three dots next to any memory and delete it, or if you don't need any memories saved, you can click on the three dots in the top right and then delete all memories. This will essentially reset your ChatGPT memory, and it might fix the image generation issue. If none of that is working, what I would do is look at your internet connection, make sure you're on a stable internet connection, it's not cutting off, and you're not on a VPN. If all of those things are true, also try it on the web app and the mobile app, and that should fix it, and it then should start working for you.